Hello, my lovelies. How are you all? This is Shelly, and I am the founder of the Shell Hair. I'm super excited to be back on YouTube with some long form videos because it was really getting important. Customers were facing issue कि इसको पहनते कैसे हैं, इसको blend कैसे करते हैं, मुझे कौन सा color लेना चाहिए. And I think as a founder, it was my duty to come here and talk about each and every product. But in this video, we'll be talking about a Halo Hairline Topper, which is one of our best seller. I mean, you all have shown so much of love to that product. I mean, so many of you have bought it, but again, many of you have faced issues while blending it, and the reason for returning it back was you were unable to fit it into your head, you were unable to tight the band, you were unable to, maybe the color was wrong, and many issues. So please don't worry, because I am here to guide you all personally. Please watch this video till end, और आप लोग 1.5x पे भी आप चला सकते हो, because मैं इस वीडियो में पूरी डिटेलिंग देने वाली हूँ हेलो हेयरलाइन टॉपर की. Let's get back to the video. This is how you receive a Halo hairline topper. This is a box. Basically you just open it like this, and I'm sorry, but मैंने already packet वगैरह सब खोल दिया है, tag हटा दिया है, and this is what you receive in a Halo hairline topper. I've removed the tag right now, but if you want to exchange any product, just make sure the tag is always attached, because if the tag is not attached, then the product is product is considered as used. So please, I would request you कि आप जब भी आपको product मिले, आप उसका tag ना हटाएं. And this is how the Halo hairline topper looks. This is a very delicate product, so please make sure कि आप उसको बहुत प्यार से हैंडल करें, बहुत प्यार से रखें. Now you all can see कि जैसे अगर आपको ये Halo hairline topper मिलता है, it is always in this straight hair condition, right? I can understand it, don't worry, because my hair condition is actually this. I mean, it's unwashed and it's actually little wavy because of this weather. It's rainy season, so अभी मेरे बाल ऐसे रहते हैं, and it is actually not matching with my hair texture. So I'll tell you how to blend it nicely with your hair. This is the natural black color, which is actually going with my hair also. Just see, it's going with my hair. So now, if you need to match the color of the topper with your root hair color. So for example, बहुत सारी women ऐसा सोचती है कि अगर वो लोग डाई लगाते हैं, for example आप ब्राउन कलर की डाई लगाते हो और आपके बाल फिर भी ऐसे ही दिख रहे हैं, then in hair extensions terms it is actually natural black, no matter आप ब्राउन डाई लगाते हो या नहीं, because देखो आपका जो रूट हेयर कलर है वो ब्लैक ही है. You are applying the brown shade on your head, but at the end of the day it's actually looking somewhat like this, which is the natural black color. It's not considered as brown in hair extensions. So guys, please note this, the hair color that you are seeing on me is actually natural black, okay? It's not brown, and this is the natural black shade that I'm showing you all. Now I'll show you what the natural brown looks. This is the natural brown color of Halo hairline topper and almost all the toppers and extensions that we have. This is what the brown shade looks. I'll just show you on my hair also what's the difference between the black and the brown. This is natural brown / dark brown. So we consider natural brown and dark brown same. So हम लोग differentiate नहीं करते हैं, because it actually confuses people कि हम लोग natural brown ले, dark brown ले, natural black ले, jet black ले. So we have only 3 standard shades, which is natural black, jet black, and dark brown / natural brown. So this is brown, natural brown, this is natural black. Now there is a jet black color, which is fully black. Sorry, I do not have that shade currently, because जब भी आप जेट ब्लैक का ऑर्डर देते हो, हम फिर कलर करते हैं and then we deliver it to you. So it's like it's not ready made. We had to color it and then we had to give it to you. Okay. So this is the brown shade. This is a natural black and not jet black, and you all can clearly see that with my hair natural black is going better. So I'll go with this one currently. Okay, I'll just keep it aside. So for my mother, उनका ना हमेशा यहाँ से काफ़ी ज़्यादा ग्रे बाल आते हैं. So she wears a topper which is a 2.5 into 3.5 silk hair topper just to cover this hairline, but to cover the front grays she went for hairline patch, which is this chota wala patch. I'll show you the hairline patch also. So my mother first used this hairline patch just to cover this area of grey hair, but then she realized that she have started growing grey hair this side as well, and lot of grey hair were till here. So she then decided to go with this Halo hairline topper, and I know many of you have chosen because of that part. And also, if your hairline is going back, then I think the Halo hairline topper works the best. Before wearing this Halo hairline topper, always make sure that you tight the band बिफोर अटैचिंग इट टू योर हेड. एडजस्ट करने का यहाँ से होता है. ओके, just how you tied the bra strap, the same way you tied the adjustable band. I think this is the best example that I can give you all. So I'll just show you how you can do that. Basically just छोटा वाला जो string है, जो छोटा वाला part है, उसको आपको pull करना है. इससे ये छोटा हो जाएगा. अगर आपको और छोटा करना है तो जो बीच वाला जो स्ट्रिंग है इसको आप थोड़ा और खींचो दिस वे. ओके, नाउ अगेन जो ओपन है, मतलब जो ये खुला वाला स्ट्रिंग है, उसको आप पुल करो एंड जस्ट सी हाउ स्मॉल इट हैज़ बिकम. मतलब इस वाले एंड से और टाइट करना है, इस वाले से मैंने फुल टाइट कर दिया है. अगर मैंने टाइट कर दिया है सो आई जस्ट टाई अ नॉट क्लोजर टू दिस पार्ट. आई विल टाई अ नॉट हियर. जैसे अपन सुई धागा में कैसे अपन गांठ बांधते हैं, सेम वे आई अटैच अ गांठ हियर ऑल्सो, सो दैट ये वापस से लूज ना हो जाए. सो आई टाई अ नॉट टू दिस पार्ट. See, this is how you attach a knot. इधर की तरफ I have attached the knot. Now this will not become loose at all. Even if it does, at least वो जो गांठ वाला पार्ट है वो वाला तो क्रॉस नहीं कर रहा है. Now I'll do the same on this other side as well. ये वाला मैंने ऑलरेडी सही कर दिया है. अब मैं ये वाला पार्ट भी कैसे ही करने वाली हूँ. This is very straight and my hair is very wavy. What I'll do is I'll just although the natural texture is wavy only, I'll just straighten it with a straightener and then we send it to you, because once we straighten it and then send it to you, it actually comes in a very good condition. अगर हम उसको wavy करके भेजेंगे तो जब आपके पास पहुंचेगा तो ये बहुत अलग टाइप का wavy होके पहुंचेगा, which will not look good on you all. So obviously we had to look after कि यार अगर आपको प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा है तो बहुत अच्छी कंडीशन में मिले, बहुत ढंग से मिले. जस्ट मेक श्योर कि मैं इसका जो टेक्सचर है वो थोड़ा मेरे तरीके से बना दूँ, थोड़ा मेरा जैसा कर लूँ. आई जस्ट यूज अ टोंग टू मेक इट लुक कर्ल. आई शो यू हाउ. अगर मेरे यहाँ पे अभी आसपास कोई भी नहीं है, आई एम अकेली शूटिंग दिस वीडियो, सो व्हाट आई डू इज आई जस्ट वेयर इट ऑन माई हेड. सो जस्ट टेक ऑल ऑफ योर हेयर बैक एंड वेयर इट लाइक दिस. कि आपको ये सारे बाल लेके आपको कर्ल करने हैं. आप ऐसे भी कर्ल कर सकते हैं. यू नीड टू मेक अ पोनीटेल एंड देन यू नीड टू वेयर इट. Done. This is what the shape of the halo hairline topper is. This part should be away and this should be closer to my face. Example, अगर मैं इसको पहनूंगी तो ये जो हुक वाला पार्ट है, it's actually away from me, and this circle वाला जो पार्ट है, जो ईयर वाला जो शेप है, वो मेरी तरफ फेस कर रहा हो. Now, what kind of hairstyle you want, you also have to decide that first, but that's fine. I'll first tell you that how to wear it. अभी तक मैंने ये वाला पार्ट टाइट नहीं किया है, मैं ये बाद में भी टाइट कर सकती हूँ. एक बार मैं खुद का पहले देख लेती हूँ कि क्या ये मुझे फिट हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, ढीला तो नहीं हो रहा है. अगर हो रहा होगा तो मैं इसकी भी गांठ बांध लूँगी यहाँ वाले एंड से. एंड वी कैन ऑल्सो कट दिस एक्स्ट्रा लेंथ, दिस एक्स्ट्रा स्ट्रिंग, क्योंकि ये ऑब्वियसली नीचे लटकती हुई दिखेगी, विच विल नॉट लुक गुड. सो आई विल जस्ट कट दिस एक्स्ट्रा स्ट्रिंग, जो हमारी यहाँ पे गांठ बांधने के बाद जो हमारी एक्स्ट्रा स्ट्रिंग बच रही है. आई विल जस्ट कट इट. नाउ टू वेयर इट, just do it like this. It's totally fit. Now I'll just turn around to show you कि अपन को कैसे करना है. ये वाला जो बैंड है इसके अंदर से आपको ये वाला अपना निकालना है ऐसा. Take off your rubber band and now take all your hair back and now just pull it upwards like this. Now अगर आपको ये ऐसा फिटिंग बैठ रहा है ऐसा, that means it's not tight. So मैंने एक तरफ से टाइट किया था पर दूसरी तरफ से नहीं टाइट किया था. Now I'll make sure कि मैं दूसरी तरफ से भी इसको टाइट करूं, because obviously ये दूसरी तरफ से ढीला था और मैंने नॉट भी नहीं बांधी थी. Super magical band. So as soon as it touches your forehead and as soon as it touches your skin, it just disappears like this. So now I'll just show you how natural it looks. I mean, you all will love it for sure. जितना वो आपके स्किन पे रहेगा उतना ही वो आपके नेचुरल लगेगा. यू सी. नाउ फॉर दिस पार्ट आई विल शो यू हाउ दिस पार्ट वर्क्स. इसके आगे से आपको ये वाले बाल बाहर निकालने हैं. एंड नाउ जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट दिस कवर्स योर बैंड लाइक दिस. माई गॉड, इट्स लुकिंग सुपर ब्यूटिफुल एंड आई थिंक इट्स लुकिंग, आई मीन जस्ट लुक एट द फिनिश, जस्ट लुक एट द hair coming from the roots it's super seamless. The color is matching. The color is going with my hair. The texture is going with my hair. The texture is going with this weather. I think it's looking perfect. Although ये वाला जो उठ रहा है, it's because it's not tight. वो अभी अपन सही कर देंगे. That's it. आपको यहाँ से बाल निकालने हैं, and then just take it upwards like this. Wow, this has changed my front look. I don't know मैं क्या लग रही थी पहले, क्या मेरे बाल जा रहे थे, because it's just not my hair season. ये season बिल्कुल भी मेरे बालों के साथ नहीं चलता है. My hair just takes their own shape. But this product, I'm just loving it. The look that it has given me, oh my god. Now you can also back comb all of your hair. So for example, आप इसको सारे के सारे इसको पकड़ के करना मेरी जान, वरना बहुत दिक्कत पड़ेगा आपको. डेलिकेटली इसको कोम करना है और अपन सारे के सारे बाल पीछे भी ले सकते हैं ऐसे. सी, you can take all of your hair back. You can make a puff, maybe a ponytail. This is what the Halo Hairline Topper looks like, and this is how it actually covers your front thinning, broad forehead, grey hair. क्या कुछ नहीं ये चीज़ solve कर लेता है. But if you have thinning on this area, girls, then please 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 इसको आप थोड़ा ऐसे करके पहनिए जैसे कि आपका ये वाला पार्ट भी थोड़ा कवर हो जाए. अगर आपका ये पार्ट कवर नहीं होगा, यहाँ बाल पतले हैं और आगे अच्छे खासे बाल आ गए, that will again look very odd. So yes, I would not suggest. But if you have like front hair thinning, this wala part also, just take some of your hair of the topper to this back side like this, and just look at the volume and the bounce and the coverage that I've got with this one piece of topper. Again guys, जो वो extra string थी मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ, although you can fit it inside, but हाँ, yes, this I'm saying कि ये जो एक्स्ट्रा है, अगर मैं इसको पुल भी करूँगी तो भी आप देखोगे ना यहाँ से बहुत टाइट हो सकता है ये. It's super stretchable. Just see, it's super stretchable. But again, आप इसको यहाँ पे गांठ बांध के and then you can cut the rest of the string according to your head. We do not cut it and give it to you, but because obviously every head size is different, so you can adjust it according to your head and you can just cut it. And that's all. I'll just blend it to show you the final look. And we are almost in the end of the video. This is what the brown shade looks. As soon as it touches your skin, it just disappears. This is the magic of a Halo Hairline Topper, girls. I have taken a lot of time, lot of detailings, and then I have created this product for you. It have taken my sweat and blood and whatnot, but yes, this is the product. So please do not hate the product or the brand before wearing it or before blending it with your hair. कोई भी अगर आप topper extension लेते हो, just make sure to blend it pretty nicely with your hair. Just make sure the texture is matching. Just make sure the color is matching before judging any of the product. I think this is one of my favorite products. I've given a lot of time to this product, and you all have literally just bought every piece that we had. We are sold out. And not just once, but actually 3 times we are sold out with this product. It's just because of your love. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll just take it out again to show you how this is pretty easy to take it out. इसमें बारिश में पहन के जा सकते हो, आप पूल में पहन के जा सकते हो. This will just not come off. I'll just take it out to show you the difference. This is what my hair looks currently. And this is what the Halo Hairline Topper looks. This is what the product looks like. See. So the texture of this has actually started, matching with my hair. मतलब मेरे texture से अब धीरे-धीरे ये अपने आप ही match करेगा. That's what the magic of human hair is. Now अगर आप देखोगे तो जहाँ पे मैंने गांठ बांधी थी, this वाला part, it's actually long. But again, this one has started losing, so I'll just tighten it and I'll tie a knot here. And yeah, that's it. That's how the Halo Hairline Topper works. If you want to see any other product or if you want any other details, just let me know in the comments below. Bye.